With a simple, stylish design, the Premier 100 Aroma Diffuser blends in equal measure. Safely constructed and conveniently designed, the diffuser covers mid-size rooms for up to 14 hours. On a schedule? Set a timer. Add your favorite essential oils to help create the ideal atmosphere for any activity. Customize your ambience even further with 7 unique light colors and 2 brightness settings. And with noise levels as low as 21 decibels, the diffuser will never get in the way of a good night's sleep. Enjoy fresh fragrances every day with the Premier 100 Aroma Diffuser